Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will share with you two quick simple DIY spelling games for the CK rule at the beginning of the English words. This is a common spelling problem that when kids write any word that begins with a k sound, they ask us whether to write letter C or K for it. However, this is a simple thing that you can explain with some songs, with some rhymes, and then reinforce that concept with some games and at the end with some worksheets. So let's dive in, check out the games that we can play with the CK rule. But first of all, let me quickly tell you how you will progress this lesson. For example, if you are teaching your kids any spelling rule, whether it's CK at the beginning or at the end, you should follow the same steps for your lesson. Step number 1. Always introduce your rule in a child-friendly way. So it's better to come up with some stories or some simple jingles or rhymes to introduce the rule. For example, this rule can be introduced like C goes with AOU, K goes with the other two. C goes with AOU, K goes with the other two. This is a jingle that is used in OG, so you can also try this, or you can simply say this: C is friends with AOU, K is friends with E and I. We can also go with the sound. C is friends with A or A, K is friends with E and E. Later, when they know about letter Y, you can also add letter Y here with K, because letter Y also says the sounds of E and I, so you can add it here in the tail of this kite. Now, once the rule is introduced, go to the second step, which is games. We need to reinforce these concepts by giving them some multisensory activities that I'm going to share with you now and at the end. Let's listen to the third part before moving forward. At the end, you have to give them worksheets or any notebook work. So for the worksheets, you can always check out my website. I will share the link of the worksheets for this rule in the description box, or maybe you can see it here. I will try to paste a copy of the worksheet here on the screen as well, right? So now, when you know the 3 steps of introducing any rule to kids, let's dive in and see what are the games that you can play with your kids to make this learning process multisensory. Alright, so this is our first game. It's simple sorting out. You can have some cards with you with different pictures on them, right? Some cards should begin with the letter C and some should begin with letter K. You can download some pictures, laminate them and keep them for this game, or you can simply draw these things. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now this deck of the cards should be with the child. It can be a pair game, 2 kids can play, or a single child can also play it individually. Okay, so now how to do this? He will see the picture: cap, cap, C or K, cap, 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 cup, 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 kit, 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 can, 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 kid, 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 cake, cake, cake. And this is an extra card. This is not a cup, this is a mug actually. So let me remove this. So now, once the child has done this, you can always ask him to counter check. What is this word? It's can, and yes, this is right. Cap, app, cap. Excellent. Say the sound of this word: cup, up, cup. All correct? Let's say the sounds of these words: kit, kid, it, kid. Excellent. Kid, cake, cake. This is how you can give them many pictures which they can separate according to the letter C and K at the beginning of the words, right? I must mention here one thing, that sometimes we also have consonants after the k sound, like k in clap, or k in clap, or k in cream. So it's better to keep it simple and first introduce the segregation of vowels with the k sound, and later you can tell them that if you hear a consonant after the k sound, it's also the letter C, right? Hope this is clear. This was game number 1, right? Now let's quickly check out that what is our game number 2. So here is your second activity that you can make for your kids. You need to have a straw or a popsicle, anything will work. On one side, write letter K, on the other side, write letter C, along with some words on the board, leaving the space for the K sound. Tell kids that in all these blanks, we have to fit the K sound, okay? So now what you have to do, you need to decide whether your K will be written with letter C or with letter K. Let's get started. Have a look how to do this. This is caught. Caught? No. Caught. Kid. A. Kid. Cup. A. C goes with a. Kid. K goes with I. Can. A. K. And. K. I. Kite. King. Oh yes, K goes with a. Clap. Now if you have taught them that letter C goes with the consonants as well, write this word. Otherwise, don't write it. Here you can see some diagrams, and letter C and K are coming in the middle of the word. So again, this is an advanced level. If you have taught them diagrams, go for this. For example, this word is coin. Koi, oin. Scoop. Again, we have O here. So it will be scoop with C. Skin. Which K will come? I. Skin. Skip. It will be letter K. Skip. Right? So this is how you can have words written on the board. It can be a whole classroom activity. You can divide kids into teams, or you can also make this on a small board and make this device also smaller than what I have made, so the kids can sit on their place and can do this activity. Moreover, you can further extend this activity. If this is on the board or a laminated sheet, give them some board markers like this, and they can also fill in these blanks. Done. This is how you can make learning fun with the CK rule. The last thing is about the worksheet. The link is given in the description box. You can download that worksheet. And how to do this? The worksheet is simply like this. Children have to say the word with the K sound, and with the vowel, they will decide which K should be written here, letter C or letter K, right? So that's all for today's video. I hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.